Hello everybody, it's Vectar here with the review on the Masters of the Universe Classics, He-Man and Battle Cat. I just got these today, and if you're interested in the packages and what they look like and all that good stuff and more detail, you could take a look at my haul video, or I got a package video, to get a full look at the cases. So for now, let's have a look at He-Man. Go. It's a very nice figure. It's very nicely detailed. Has a very nice sculpt, paint job applications. Look at that face. So he has blue eyes. Not sure how well. There you go. Some decent head articulations. Now, a lot of the pictures you see, he looks kind of stubby. You know, like large upper body and small lower half. But that's usually because he's like scrunching like scrunching down or whatever. Here he's actually standing up pretty straight, and he looks fairly tall. Not too bad. Take a look at his back. Bottom of his feet, some peg holes. Let's remove the weapons. And let's have a look at his articulation. Now his head, as you can see earlier, move up and down, left and right. It's on a ball joint because it should be able to take it off. There's a nice peg there. Our ball joint. So you got to be careful though, because those are very fragile and you don't want to break your neck joint. And his shoulders, there's a nice click in the when you do that, and it locks into place fairly well. And that's as high as it could go, unless you move twirl it all the way around. And there you go, like that. And you get the full 360 there. Nice 360 bend at the bicep. One point of articulations or bends right here at the elbows. His wrist does move right after the gauntlet, or bracelet thing. His little strap thing right here that he wears is detachable. This peg, and it's made of a very soft rubbery material. And he got a nice ab crunch right there, so he could do his push and his sit-ups. And his legs are on a similar joint as his shoulder, so you got the full 360. Pretty much do the splits. Move up, back, forth. The little loincloth is made of that same rubbery material as this. Said one point of a bending here at the knee. And he rotates at the calf, right where the boot starts. And his ankle could pivot up and down. Like so. He does come with multiple accessories. You've seen earlier, a shield. The nice clip right there. You just clip it right onto the wrist. And he comes with the power sword that he could hold in his hand and store right here in this little holster in his back. He also comes with another power sword that's been halved. He also comes with an axe. It's nice gray and silver detail. And that too just plugs right into the hand like so. Very firmly. So it's not going anywhere. And there it goes, this flew. Fortunately, he can't reach back and pull out his sword. So that would have been nice. Have him in that pose. He can raise it up in the air and do his iconic "I have the power" thing. There you go. Alright, so that pretty much does it for He-Man. His ankles do feel a little weak though, like it's a little wobbly, so you gotta watch out for that. And now let's take a look at the Battle Cat. See here. Move He-Man a little bit more to the side there. Very nice. It's really heavy. It's like very solid, so that's something to look forward to. That's a nice detail on his armor. Like different tones of red, like a lighter red and a dark burgundy red. Some decent paneling and slight shading here and there. Same thing goes with his saddle. But right here it's kind of like a darker red. Almost like a dark brownish, reddish brown. And it has like little marks in it to make it look like a leather. And you got the strap, which is the same material as that. Little marks in it, like little holes. So say Battle Cat gets too fat, you know, I can make it more bigger. And that fell right off. And its helmet. And to remove it, all you have to do is just unpeg it here. Nice little clip. And it comes right off. And here we have Battle Cat, or his Cringer form, I guess. That's still, it looks a bit too aggressive to be Cringer though. And some nice details in the eyes. Stripe details. Some sculpt right here in the legs. On the bottom of the foot. Nice, like pads, nails. More stripes, more stripes. His ears are kind of folded down. Nice detail in the snout here with like little folds of muscles. Whisker holes. His teeth are painted and sculpted very well. A lot of details there, especially in the tongue. Let's get to articulation. Now his head slightly moves side to side. Not very much up or down, but his neck does move up and down like that. It's like on a, what you call it, just a sliding joint. His legs could go back and forth. His elbows bend like that. They also turn. So it does his wrist on his paws. And you can move it up and down. And in the middle, he has this kind of like, it just goes up and down like that. It rocks back and forth. It doesn't move side to side. It's a little loose, I'm assuming because of the weight. You can turn it a bit this way though. Ooh, it's a nice rib detail. I never noticed that. And his back legs, nice and squeaky. His knees. So he has 2 points of articulation there. Could bend that way, and that. And that's the same as the other one. And his tail moves up and down, and it's good through 360. Now, I have heard that he has problems standing once you have him on all the armor on and on top. Put the saddle on, see how that goes. Okay, now that the armor's all back on it, there you go. Pretty much what you get. And for He-Man to ride it, all you have to do is just place him right on the side like that. And there you go. He just fits right in, no problems whatsoever. And there's those little holsters here on the side that you could, if you wanted to, just put your sword, like so. Or the axe, which was somewhere. I don't remember where it is. It's the axe. Just place it like so. So when Battle Cat runs, you can slice up his leg. So that pretty much does it on this review. Thanks for watching.